Hello, and welcome to Export Portal. Export Portal is the best place for manufacturers to sell to international buyers, thanks to its features that are ideal for all manufacturers and lead to seamless export. Today, we will walk you through the process of completing a manufacturer profile on our international B2B trade platform. To start, you must first log in. After you have logged in, click on your name in the upper right corner. There you will see that your profile is not complete yet. As you can see, there are just a few remaining steps to complete your profile: the account verification process, adding company information, adding items, and inputting your personal information. Let's start off with account verification, which is essential in ensuring a secure place for all our customers to trade online. To get your profile verified, you will be asked to upload your passport or government-issued ID, business license, tax ID number, and an export-import permit. Make sure to click the blue Upload file to upload your documents. Our blockchain technology will encrypt your documents once they are uploaded, making them safe. Additionally, these documents will be used in each international trade transaction, so uploading these documents now saves you from re-uploading them every time you start a trade. The verification process will likely take between 2 to 5 business days. If you have any problems while uploading the documents, please reach out to our customer support center. If you scroll a bit down, you can also see our upgrade option. We offer a free verified option along with a certified feature where you can choose to either pay monthly or yearly. We encourage our users to make the most of our services and increase their chances of being prosperous in international trade. Once you are done with the account verification process, you can move on to personal information. First, check all your information to make sure it is still accurate. If you need to make any edits, please click the Edit button. If your first and last names are different on your legal documents, please let us know by checking the box, which will display an additional field for adding your legal name. Don't forget to include your fax number as well if you have one, and click Next. Here, please double-check that all your information, like country, state, and city, is accurate. Once you are done, click Next and Submit. Then, add a description of yourself. The more detailed you are, the more likely it is that other trade partners will trust you and will be willing to collaborate with you. Please don't forget to mention where you found out about us as well. Once you are done, press Save. Let's move on to the next step: company information. In this section, you can edit the information you have added while registering. This includes company name, display company name, type of user, phone and fax number. Once you click Next, you can also edit the country, state, region, city, zip, postal code, and address. Don't forget to press Save at the end. Besides these, you also have the chance to upload your company logo. Please make sure your contact information like email, phone number, or website is not indicated in this picture, as this will go against our terms of use. You can also add industries related to your business. Here, please choose the categories from the industries you have selected before. You can also add more information about your company, like your email, annual revenue in USD, and the number of your employees on this page. Don't forget the description as well. We strongly advise you to describe your company as accurately as possible in order to increase your chances of being noticed by international trade partners on Export Portal. Last but not least, you can even add a video link if you have one. After you've entered all of your information, make sure to click the Save button.